Next up, hunting party for crown. In this, we need to kill both the sniper and the rhino within 60 seconds of each other. You can take as long as you want to get there, but you just need to kill the other one in 60 seconds from killing the first. The rhino and sniper are the two bosses located in the factory wing of the Kashai complex. All you need to do is navigate to the center area and find a factory key, then use it to enter the factory, and once inside, take out the AI on your way to the boss, and you'll find both the rhino and the sniper. The rhino is super heavily armored and of course will reinforce itself if you leave the boss area. It'll pretty much get to full HP within seconds of you leaving, so make sure you don't leave the area when you enter it. Then the sniper is also pretty well armored, but nowhere near as much. It'll take a good few shots in order to kill both of them, but you can do this in a much more cheesy way. All you need is 2 bomb drones, sometimes 3 if you miss one of them or it gets destroyed before you can reach them, or of course you can use normal recon drones with C4 strapped to them. Just chuck C4 onto it, fly to them, poof, and there you go. Essentially, it'll take 1 bomb drone to get rid of the sniper and 1 bomb drone to get rid of the heavily armored rhino as well. It's actually really easy and really simple as long as you can find them. Now this took us many attempts as previously these things were shot out of the sky, and of course finding a buy station that actually sells one of these on Al Mazrah is pretty rare. We had to go through quite a few until we eventually got lucky and found them on our first go. Then simply heading into the Kashai complex all the way to the factory wing, we blew up both of these bosses in just a few moments. Now I have seen people wait outside of the door so that no AI spawns in the area except for the 2 bosses, and while you can do it that way, the rhino doesn't seem to die until you go into that area. So what I did is I entered the doors, sent up our first drone, destroyed the sniper, sent in another drone, and destroyed the rhino within seconds, finishing this mission, and that's really it. It's really simple to do and really easy. This is probably the easiest way to get rid of these super difficult bosses, but it takes a little bit of preparation. And of course, I'd recommend going in with money in order to buy these items. They're not too expensive. But anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.